Hey guys, so natakaroon diri sa Colon to feature Magellan's Lechon because we were invited by the owner to taste their authentic Cebu Lechon. Naapod sila yung lechon sisig na atong tilawan for the first time. And we'll be talking to the owner as well so that we would know further as to manong Magellan's Lechon ilang gingan diri sa ilang lechonan. Street, located near Shagari. Akbang Rajun sa monument, sir?
Heritage Monument.
Heritage Monument. So, digid mo sa doon na siya. And then, what time do you open your research?
8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
So, 12 hours na open, guys. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So, you can have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner here at their Lechon house. They offer lechon. Lechon baboy, the traditional Cebu authentic lechon. Naapod sila yung lechon sisig. So what else do you offer, sir?
We also have lechon pizza, lechon pancit, and also the unlimited lechon.
Unlimited lechon. Pila yung unlimited lechon, sir?
380. Unlimited lechon, unlimited rice with 1 round of drinks.
Oh, so kompleto na. Kompleto na di na mo magbahay. And muna, sir, ka na since 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Muna ba may adlaw na din mo update or everyday? Tuesday is their rest day. Wala sila ang adlaw. So, do you accept mga orders na
yes, ma'am.
ginag-cook ka ng mga orders?
For whole lechon orders, we accept whole lechon in different sizes.
Okay.
So, we also ship in Manila, from airport to airport delivery.
Nice. So, mo-ship po sila anywhere in
the Philippines.
Anywhere in the Philippines.
To airport.
Nice. So why did you name your lechon house as Magellan's Lechon, sir? We're curious.
At first, like, gustong na ko ang pilito na ko, which is alaw lechon din. Marago mo kay siya impact. So, I'm thinking about the history of Cebu. I think Magellan comes first when you speak about the history. So, muna ako siya i-try nga Magellan's Lechon. So, Magellan itself is like a famous figure, and then Lechon is the delicacy of Cebu. So, in one like brand name, so
nagana kang identities makita sa Magellan. So, sir, can you invite our viewers to visit and let them know as pa sila makakita ang Magellan's Lechon? Because I think hindi na po nun ang inyong branch. Okay,
so sa lahat, to all the lechon lovers out there, especially Cebu Lechon who wants to try Cebu Lechon, they're located here at downtown Colon, at Sikatuna Street, Pari-an, Cebu City. And also, soon we will be in Manila, Pasay City, and also in Leyte, Magellan's Lechon Leyte. So for now, we have only 3 locations, but maybe soon we will have more locations.
So thank you so much for inviting us over today, sir. And once again, guys, please don't forget Magellan's Lechon in case you'd like to discover another brand of lechon here in Cebu. Because of course, there are lechon houses in Talisay, in Liluan, sir, ang dagdag of lechon. So kung masakag mo diri sa Colon Street, please do try the Magellan's Lechon. Kay lami jud ang ilang timpla sa lechon. Naon sa toy. Kay lami jud ang timpla sa ilang lechon, maski dili na ninyo isaw-saw sa lain na sauce. So once again, please do support Magellan's Lechon Only here at Pari-an, Cebu. Sir, mangutala ko sir. Ang kanina lechon, ang pila ni timbangan ni?
600 grams, ma'am.
Morning 600 grams, nagpila siya.
Ang usa kilo is 750.
750 ang 1 kilo. Ang kaning sisig,
Kuha na siya, ma'am, 220 ang kanalagay.
sa ka-plate, 220 pesos. Thank you so much. So, with their serving ron, it's actually good for one family already. It's actually good for one family already. So, be sure to come here around before lunch para init pa o kagumuguma ang ilahang lechon.
There is no one for me to find now.
Dami sa mga ganahan o spicy, try out their lechon sisig.
Big diamond carrot. Oh, oh.
Sisig, lamig.
Dami ang sisig. Basta ang lechon. Ikaw ano, lamian ka? Ha? Tilaw ka sa sisig?
I'm gonna put it.
Wala. Ang lechon, lamian ka sa lechon.
I'm gonna put it on yours.
'Cause I've searched all over the world. Margrette, you are my
So guys, if ganahan mo magpa-order lang, dili mo kanin sa Kulon, you can check them out at Grab Food, Maxim, and Food Panda.